How to post a live photo on Instagram. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from Geek. In today's video we will discuss whether or not we can post a live photo on Instagram. Now if you wanted to take a live photos, first of all you have to open the iPhone camera app and you have to turn on the live photos settings by tapping on the bullseye icon at the top of the screen, and a yellow live box appears which is at the very top. Now you can frame a shot and hold the device still, then press the white circle button, shutter button at the bottom once, keeping position on the subject for at least 1.5 seconds. Audio also gets recorded, editable and usable later on. But is it possible to actually post live photos on Instagram? Now, live photos is an elegant feature added to the iPhone 6 and later models. Rather than taking a snapshot, live photos takes 1.5-second video and audio recording, and making live photos more like a video than still live photos. That short recording contains both video and audio, from which a live photo, despite what the name implies, live photos aren't happening in real time and they aren't exactly photos either. Instead, they're more like small animations that only show one frame, which is an image, but play like an animation if you long press on them. The name evokes a photo that's alive rather than something happening live. It's a live photo because it seems like a photo that comes to life, animating itself, kind of like the photos in Harry Potter. Despite being all about images, Instagram has been very slow to adopt the use of live photos. At the time of this video making, Instagram only supports of 3 seconds videos or more, and as a live photo is only 1.5 seconds long, it won't work. Uploading a live photo from your iPhone to Instagram will only make it appear like a still image. You can post the live photo as usual on Instagram, but it will only appear as a still image, defeating the point of it being a live photo in the first place. Hope this video cleared your confusion if you're trying to post a live photo. But as I said earlier, live photo are 1.5 seconds and Instagram only supports up to 3 seconds of video. Hope this video cleared your confusion. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you've got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching and see you soon in our next video.